Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're jumping right into this tutorial. We're priming our lids with the concealer. It's the ColourPop concealer. We're just going to blend it out. It's about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. We're going to blend that out and then set it with the Maybelline translucent setting powder. And we're using ColourPop brushes. We're jumping into the Prism palette and we're going to pack on that black shade. We're using a MAC 217 brush. And we're just going to continue to like pat on the black shade and then blend it out. Jumping right into this masquerade palette, we're going to use that pink shade. It's in between the purple and that other shade. I'm so just ghetto. And we're just going to use that pink shade and we're going to blend out the black. We're using that like as our transition color, but we're going to use it to blend out that black. We're going in with makeup remover and a Q-tip, and we're going to clean up our mobile lid before applying our concealer. And we're going in with that same ColourPop concealer and we're going to apply that to our lid. We're doing a cut crease. And just so we have something for the shadow to stick to. We're going to blend that out with a little small shader brush. And then we're jumping into the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're using that third shade in from the left, that champagne-y shade. And we're going to apply that all over our lid. We're using a flat shader brush. And we're just going to keep packing it on our mobile lid. And you just have to take your time and keep applying and keep building up the shades. We're going to use our NYX glitter glue as a base. And we're applying it over the eyeshadow. And we're just going to pack it in. And we're going to go into our MAC pigment. It's in the color, it's in the shade Blue Black. And it's a MAC pigment. And we're just going to apply that all over our mobile lid. But we're going to leave a little space in between our cut crease. So you're going to see like the black. You're going to see that first shade from the Morphe palette. And then we're going to like apply this to our mobile lid. But a little bit of that shade from the Morphe palette is going to peek through. I didn't want to bring it all the way up to the black. I just wanted to do something a little different and see how it came out. And I liked how it came out. So I'm just packing that pigment on my mobile lid and I'm using a lip brush. Now, because I'm just trying to be precise and I'm trying not to take the color all the way up to the black. So now we're going into our face. We're going to prime and we're going to use our Fenty Beauty foundation. Now, I have oily skin, well, combination oily skin. I'm oily up in my nose, my forehead, and around my mouth and my chin. I'm dry. This is a moisturizing primer, but it's good for oily skin. This is the shade, the foundation shade that I'm using is 400. And I'm using an e.l.f. brush, a stippling brush, just to blend this out. And I blend out my foundation in sections. So now we're concealing and we're using the same concealer. We're going to use our ColourPop concealer and we're going to do our under eye. We're going to do our chin. And we're going to do the bridge of our nose. And we're just putting a little bit because we're going to blend that shade out. We're going in with a large shader brush. And I'm going in to blend out that concealer. So now we're setting our face with Laura Mercier, a translucent setting powder. And we're going to apply that to all the places that we conceal, just so that concealer doesn't move. Now I like to pat my setting powder onto the concealer and then I blend it off. So right now we're just going to blend everything away. All that powder. And then we're going into bronzing up our skin. We're going to do our cheeks and our forehead and our nose. And we're just going to bronze up a little bit. And then we're going to apply some blush. We're using a blush from ColourPop. ColourPop is one of their super shock blushes. And then we're going to set our face with Cover FX foundation powder, and I'm in N90. We're going back to our eyes and we're going in with that pink shade from the Masquerade palette, and we're just going to apply that to our lower lid. And then we're going in to just blend that shade out a little bit. And then we're going into the black shade in the Anastasia palette. And we're applying that just to like the outer part of that lid and connecting it with the other eyeshadow. And then we're just going to blend everything out so everything blends together. So now we're applying eyeshadow. I'm using MAC gel liner. And I'm using an angled brush. And we're applying liner. We're going into my favorite highlighter palette at the moment. I'm so hyped for this right here. I love the packaging. I love how everything came that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. And we're going to highlight, y'all. I'm so excited. Her shit is so pigmented. Like, I did not know. Like, look at that. Like, I love this highlighter palette. I cannot wait to get more stuff from Kylie Cosmetics. We're going in and we're using one of the shades from the highlighter palette. It's like a lavender shade, and we're going to use that as our inner corner highlight. We're going to go in with MAC Chestnut, and we do have on a brown liner. I think it's an NYX liner. And we have on our Lily lashes. Ha, 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 ha. We're going to just outline our lips a little bit more just to make everything blend in with this new lipstick. And then we're going to go in with Spice Lip Glass or Lip Gloss from MAC Cosmetics. And we're going to apply that all over our lips. And guys, this is the finished look. This is really fucking hot. This is really nice. I like the look, guys. See you guys on my next video. That's one of my faves, guys. And thank you for watching.